Humphrey the hippo ate his owner. A pet deer gored its owner. A pet deer gored its owner. A hoarder was bitten by his pet black widow. Teddy the black bear killed his owner while she cleaned his cage. Teddy the black bear killed his owner while she cleaned his cage. Scarface the Pitbull mauled his owner over a sweater. Scarface the Pitbull mauled his owner over a sweater. Travis the Chimpanzee disfigured a woman. Travis the Chimpanzee disfigured a woman.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.